Step 2, funding your account para makapag-copy trade sa ating Trade GPT. Now, nakapag-create ka na ng account mo and nakapagpasa ka na rin ng mga documents para ma-verify yung account mo. So, next step naman is magpa-fund tayo or magde-deposit tayo sa iyong account as your capital. So, click mo tong 3 lines ulit. And then, here sa accounts, you can see live account. Select mo lang yan. And then, scroll mo siya sa baba. Okay? So, here is your live trading account. Here sa Multibank, you can create 5 to 10 trading accounts. So, this is your first trading account na lalagyan natin ng deposit. Kaya, ayan, makikita mo, 66595642. Now, yung details ng live trading account mo is in-email sa'yo ni Multibank. Nakalagay doon yung server, yung trading account, and yung password. Now, if you wanna use yung password na in-email sa'yo ni Multibank, pwede. But if you want to change your password sa account na to, click mo lang tong 3 dots. And then here sa baba, you have the option to change your account password. Now, for copy trading naman sa Trade GPT, you have to create an MT5 account. So, ang default na account mo is MT4. As you can see, this one is an MT4 account. So, pwede ka naman mag-copy trade using MT4. Now, para magkaroon ka naman ng MT5 account, click mo tong chat support. And then, chat now. Hi, I need an MT5 account. So, nag-reply na yung ating chat support. Sabi niya, kindly send your request dito sa email na to. So, email mo lang, lagay mo lang, hi, requesting an MT5 account. And that's it. Magkakaroon ka na ng MT5 account. So, while waiting sa iyong MT5, pwede ka muna mag-fund dito sa iyong trading account na MT4 and then tsaka mo na lang i-transfer from MT4 to MT5. Okay, so ito makikita mo naman yan, transfer funds. Now, for this step, magpa-fund na tayo ng iyong account so you can select deposit funds. So now makikita mo dito yung different methods to fund your account. So, merong credit or debit card, bank transfer, and additional methods, pwede Neteller or Skrill, pwede rin tong Multibank IO Pay. So ngayon, let's say gusto mo mag-deposit via online banking or GCash, click mo to nasa baba na Classic Deposit. Yan. So, of course, makikita mo yung trading account mo and input mo lang yung amount na i-deposit mo. Select Fund. And then, makikita mo tong page na to. So, once na na-redirect ka dito, here you can select Dragon Pay. So, yung peso equivalent is makikita mo. And here, makikita mo yung mga payment options. So, click mo muna tong I agree to the terms and conditions. And then, ito sa drop-down, ito yung mga pagpipilian mo. So, pwedeng Bank of Commerce. Ito yung mga online banking or e-wallet. Yan, BPI, China Bank. So, hanapin mo lang yung bank na meron ka. Or pinakamadali, sa totoo lang, is itong QRPH New. So, once na ito yung sinelect mo, merong ma-download na QR code, which is ito yung pwede mong i-scan via GCash or Maya or GoTime, kung ano man yun. And ito, pwede mo rin itong i-upload din via GCash. So, this one is very convenient. Once na na-scan mo na, automatic, okay, nag-proceed ka, nag-push through yung payment, real time, yung deposit mo is nasa account mo na. But if you want other option, pwede rin. Okay, so here, may mga iba pang online banking dito. Meron ding over the counter. Meron ding, ayan, mga bills payment and everything. Kung via GCash naman ang gusto mo, direct. So, ganun lang naman din. Pag sinelect mo yung GCash, meron ka pang 10 pesos service fee dito. Mas convenient gamitin itong QRPH New. Okay, via InstaPay. So, once okay na, and nag-push through na yung payment mo, check mo yung iyong trading account, pumasok na yung $500 na dineposit mo, plus magkakaroon ka pa ng credit bonus of 20% ng dineposit mo. So this is para sa first time deposit. So mas maganda, ma-maximize mo sa una pa lang na deposit mo itong ating 20% deposit bonus kasi the higher the deposit, the higher the bonus. So, para lang to sa first account. And good thing, itong credit na to is withdrawable. So, syempre may terms and conditions to. Unlike sa iba na nababawas once na nagwi-withdraw ka. So, yeah, that's it. That's how you fund your account in Multibank for TradeGPT.